Hey guys, my name's Alishka
And I'm Mishanga.
and today we are going to see a cricket match.
And hooray for Sri Lanka.
It says here that it will take us about an hour to get to the cricket stadium due to traffic conditions. Currently on our way on the highway. Finally arriving in Galle after a long time on the road. Got the tickets. And you can see the Galle Cricket Club from here.
I found the place.
It's now time to enter the VIP lounge. It's time to sit back, relax and watch the match. Looking around, you can see it's a very spacious place and you can see the match very clearly. It's a match between Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Sri Lanka is bowling and Pakistan is batting, as you can see. The series is tied with Pakistan and Sri Lanka winning one test match each, so they shared the cup. Sri Lankan supporters watching on. These are the two captains. On the left side is Babar Azam and on the right side is Dimut Karunaratne. At our hotel we met Kumar Dharmasena, a world-class cricket umpire.